Hey, here's Sigenergy's new SigenStor product, and some things I love and some things I don't love. First up, I love the modularity of this battery. You can install up to 48 kilowatt hours in one stack that only stands 2.1 meters tall. The next thing I love is that you get to pick your own inverter size, anywhere from 5 kilowatts all the way to 30 kilowatts, depending on how much solar and battery you want to install in your home. I also love that Sigenergy have thought so much about electrifying the home that they've integrated electric vehicle chargers into the battery. You can get a 25 kilowatt fast DC charger in this battery, or you can AC couple one of Sigenergy's smart chargers as well. The next thing that I love, and one of my favorite, most unique loves about this battery, is it does have a true three-phase option. This means that if you have a three-phase home, this is definitely the product for you. And if you have a blackout on a three-phase home, it's capable of giving you whole home backup. Hallelujah. Some things I don't like though. The Sigenergy battery can only be wall mounted if you have 16 kilowatt hours of storage. Most people opt for a little bit more than that. The next thing I don't like is the gateway. Now this is one of the most beautiful, well-manufactured gateways that we sell at PSC. I still don't like it because it's pretty big, and I'd love to see us move away from gateways. They take up so much room and they're necessary if you want to have partial or full home backup. Another thing that I don't like about Sigenergy's 48 kilowatt hour stack is that it does weigh nearly 500 kilos. We're adding on module blocks, which are 70 kilos each, plus the inverter. So it does get pretty heavy. And one thing you want to consider if you're going to install a Sigenergy SigenStor product on your home is that there is a central point of failure. If this inverter up here fails and you've got a DC coupled system, you're not only without batteries on your home, but you're also without solar as well. Now here's another thing for you that you may love or you may not love. If you're like me and you love data, you're going to love how much information you can get out of the Sigenergy app. But if you're someone who wants things a little more simple and all you're interested in is a cheap power bill, you might find the app a little overwhelming. We've got plenty of YouTube and resources to help you understand the app. I hope you've enjoyed the loves and don't loves of Sigenergy's SigenStor products.